It's your girl Domonique. Hope everyone is having a great day. I'm here with a makeup and hair tutorial. The wig that I'm going to be showing you guys today is from Queenlife Hair. So I will have everything listed down below in the description box to where you can find this wig. I'm absolutely in love with it. And this eyeshadow look is a look using Deck of Scarlet palette, and this is the edition number 9. So if you guys want the details all about this whole look right here, make sure you continue to watch. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, join the family, share this video with your friends and family. Like I previously said, I'm going to keep saying it. I'm going to keep speaking it into existence. We are going to reach 200K by the end of the year. We can do it. I know we can do it. So go ahead, share this video. And I will see you guys in my next video. So just go ahead and continue to watch. Okay, so to begin, we're going to start out by plucking out this frontal a little bit just to make it look a little bit more realistic so it's not so full. So as you can see, I pulled out my little sideburn, you know. I just wanted to look really natural, so I'm just going in with tweezers. You can do this when it's off of your head, if you have like a little mannequin head to put it on. But it's easier to do it while you already have the wig on, because you can kind of see how much you're taking out, because you don't want it to be bald and you don't want to have like bald spots. You want it to be natural. Alright, so this is how the hair is looking. I did comb out a few of the curls. As you can see, I didn't manipulate the back yet, but we will get to that. I want like a big full look. That's the look I'm going for. And as you can see, I went in and I plucked a few more hairs out of the frontal right here. Just to make it look a little bit natural, more natural. And as you can see, like the frontal comes really full. That's one of the main reasons why I did not go in and do the whole entire hairline. It just would have took me forever. And it's not like I'm going to be parting the hair on both sides, wearing it in a ponytail, or doing any styles where I need the whole frontal plug. So mainly I'm just going to have this come into my face, and you know, I want it to be nicely plucked over here, so I may go in and pluck a little bit more, just so it can look a little bit more natural. But yeah, this hair is really full. One of the things I wish this wig had was more parting, and I would absolutely be in love with it if it had more parting. But as you can see, you get about 3 inches, 2.5, 3 inches of space to part. So this is how big my part is. Right there. I haven't put any concealer on there. I put foundation on the lace and the inside, but yeah, that's how up to right here is where you can part your hair. Not really pleased with that, but the overall wig and the structure of it is really nicely. The only thing is I wish it had more lace where I could part. But I'm going to go ahead and tack this down and tie it up, and we're going to move on to makeup. So I'm going to be using a palette from Deck of Scarlet. I will talk more about it later in the video. And if you guys want to see the finished look for this hair, definitely stay tuned to the end of the video.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
I'm going to take a little powder and set this a little bit, not too much powder. I'm just going to just blend it into my skin, pat it into my skin. Time to move on to the eye. So this palette right here is from Deck of Scarlet. Look at it. Look at the packaging. This is edition 9. So this is what it looks like. Beautiful colors, beautiful colors. One of the things that I absolutely love is the fact that they label, they label the colors of the eyeshadows. I'm going to go in with the shade Whisper, and this is going to be used as a transition shade. Whew, look at it, pigmented. And this is actually a blush, but we're going to use it as an eyeshadow. do want to let you guys know a little bit about Scarlet. If you don't know, it is a makeup subscription based company where every 2 months you get a new makeup palette with all the products you need to complete a full face, and the cost is just $29.95 every other month. So you're not paying $30 a month, you're paying every other month, and you can stop it whenever you want to. So if you don't want it 1 month, you don't have to get it. Now I'm going to go in with the color Crush, and it's this shade right here. A beautiful, beautiful eyeshadow color. Ooh, so pretty.
The birds have just begun.
So I'm going to go in and build this color up just a little bit more. I really, really want it to pop. And I close my eyes because I really want this section to be blended. So close your eyes and blend. I have a special link where you guys can save 30% off. So if you guys like this palette right here, you can get your first palette for just $21. So check the description box for my link. Under my brow bone, I'm going to take the color Shh. And it's the highlight color, and I'm just going to place it under my brow bone.
The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a ride.
Now I'm basically going to clean off my lid area using concealer because I want the color that I put on my lid to pop. So I'm just going to clean it off just a little bit. Also, I want to let you guys know that Scarlet is cruelty free and it's paraben free. Shipping is available in the USA, Canada, and the UK. If you are a new subscriber, you can pick your first palette. So if you really don't like this current palette that I'm using, you can go back and look at the other ones that they have to offer and choose one of those. As you can see, I'm not using a whole lot of concealer because we're not doing a cut crease. I'm just cleaning off the lid a little bit. Now with the color Supernova, I am going to add that to my lid area. And while applying that color, I'm going to take a little bit of my all-nighter spray, spray my brush, and I'm going to pack this color. To take your time and just pack this color on your lid. And like I previously said, the concealer that I put down is just going to help the eyeshadow be more pigmented and show up. But to be honest, these eyeshadows and the lipsticks, everything in this palette that you get from Scarlet is really pigmented, and I just love the quality. The packaging is definitely bomb. Like, I absolutely love the packaging, but the pigmentation and quality is great. Now I'm going to go in with the color Drama, and I'm going to add this to the outer V area just to deepen the outer V area up and just bring everything together, bring this whole entire look together. If you all are enjoying this makeup tutorial and hair tutorial, let me know down below in the comments section so I'll know what types of videos that you guys enjoy watching on my channel, because I love doing makeup tutorials, but a lot of people, I don't get a lot of interaction with them, so I don't know if it's what a lot of people want to see. So just let me know down below. I love to hear you guys' thoughts and your suggestions, so comment away. With my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, this is the shade Tan. This color is really too dark to be a highlight color for me. So I apply it first before I apply anything. And this is just to cover up my under eye circles. I have a full foundation routine coming very soon. So I'm just going to pat this in. Foundation that we're using today is the CoverGirl True Blend. I'm in the shade T60. I wore this foundation one time and y'all, it was bomb. It lasted all day long.
We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world.
I like to go in first and just dot the foundation all over my face, and then I go in and blend it out. Now I'm just going to let my foundation sit and kind of dry out for a second, and while that's drying, I'm going to eat some more pretzels. With my favorite foundation brush, this is the Scarlet Lace FB7. I'm going to blend this out using pattern motions. Y'all see how well this blends with my complexion? It's a little, I feel like it might be a little dark, but it matches. It matches really well. I could probably go a little lighter. Maybe not. I don't know.
Searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name.
After blending out all of this concealer and highlight, as you can see, my face looks really highlighted, but I love that extra fullness and highlighted look, but it looks a little blotchy, so you want to go back in with your brush and just make sure you blend out any harsh edges. So doing like a full face of makeup, it takes time, and I previously uploaded a natural foundation routine look, so definitely check that out if you're not up for all the highlighting and contouring and things like this. So just blending is key, and of course you want to make sure you're setting your concealer because creasing does not look good. So I am taking my favorite powder, it's the Laura Mercier powder. I love this powder, one of my go-to favorite powders. Back to the eyes, you have to put something on your lower lash line. I feel like the eyes are too heavy and too like dramatic for the bottom to just go without anything. That's just my personal opinion. So I'm going to go in with Crush on this big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend it underneath my eye. And I need to like be close to the mirror, so you probably won't see this stuff. For the inner corner, I'm going in with the shade Shh, and it's the highlight color in the palette. Okay, so now my skin, it doesn't have any structure. We have to bring the structure back, so we're going to contour to do that. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This is the matte bronzer, and it's by Ulta Beauty. Just gonna go in with this brush right here. This is from Scarlet Lace. It's the FB5, and I'm just going to pat it in. A lot of you guys ask, like, what's the purpose of highlighting and contouring? So when you contour your face, you're bringing dimension back into your face. You are diminishing those spots that you don't want to look as big. Like when I contour the sides of my nose, it's because I want the sides of my nose, like I want my nose to appear skinnier than what it actually is. Now I'm going to take this off just because I want to contour the top. I'm going to go in with my bronzer and just now we're going to go back in our deck of Scarlet palette, and I'm going to get the shade Whisper. This is the blush that comes in the palette, and just add this to my cheeks. Ooh, that's really pigmented. So, like, I'm looking a little too rosy. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with your highlight. Sometimes I spray my face before the highlights, and I'm feeling like I want to spray it today, so I'm just going to go overboard spraying this. After using so much powder, it takes the glossiness and the dewiness away from your skin, and this, like, the naturalness from your skin, if you know what I'm saying. So I don't like to like really look fully matte, so that's why I spray tons of the spray, because I want to add some moisture back to my face. I don't know which lip color I'm feeling the most. I don't know if I want to go light or darker. I think I might go with the lighter. Yeah, I think I'm going to do the lighter. Yeah, I think I'm feeling the darker shade more.
Lion's gonna come. The birds have just...
One thing I've noticed, their other ones were more, I feel like they changed the formula, or this might be a different kind of lipstick, but it's a little bit more thicker, because when I used to put the brush in there, I used to like make a print, and it used to be a little bit more liquidier, but I like this. Ooh, okay y'all. Now I'm just going to take my Got2b glue and just take a little bit and glue my little sideburns down. And as you can see, I'm going in with the tweezers, the end of the tweezers, and just pressing it down. Alright, so I went to the bathroom and I kind of like brushed it out a little bit. I wanted it to look a little bit more curly instead of kind of like so bushy. But I guess I don't have the right product. So I'm going to take this little small brush right here. And I'm going to take some concealer and go in my part area, because as you can see, you don't see a part, but there is a part. And plus, I did not bleach the knots on this hair, so that's another reason why you probably can't really see the roots like that. So you can see that makes a big difference already. And I'm going to take my finger and just blend. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys have enjoyed this hair and makeup tutorial. All of the information about this wig will be listed down below in the description box, y'all. I'm not really too concerned about the amount of lace that's on this wig, because I absolutely love this style. And I feel like I don't really need a deep part. This is like so freaking cute. Yes, I'm loving it. And if you love this eyeshadow look, definitely check out that deck of Scarlet. This is the edition number 9 palette. All the information about this wig and the makeup palette will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure you check it out, along with links to the websites where you can find the wig and the makeup palette. Also, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure your post notifications are on so you are notified every time I upload a new video. But if you enjoyed this video, give me a big old thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in.